Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a Twitter account with Twitter easy tutorial step by step clearly. To create a Twitter account, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL twitter.com and press enter. Once the Twitter homepage loads, look for the sign up button on the right side of the page. Click on the sign up button. A new window will prompt you to enter your name. Type in your full name. Next, enter your phone number or email address. If you choose to use your phone number, click on Use Phone instead if needed. After entering your information, click on Next. Now, Twitter will ask for your date of birth. Select your date of birth from the provided options. Once done, click on Next. Review your information on the next screen. Make sure everything is correct before you proceed. If it looks good, click on Sign Up. Twitter will send a verification code to your phone or email. Check your phone or email for that verification code. Enter the code in the designated field on the screen. Click on Next to proceed. Now, you'll have the option to customize your experience. You can choose to follow topics and accounts now or skip this step. If you choose to follow accounts, select a few options that interest you. After this, click on Next. On the next screen, Twitter might suggest additional accounts to follow. You can select any that you like or click on Skip. Now, create a password for your account. Make sure to use a strong password. After typing your password, click on Next. Twitter may ask for additional information to complete your profile. Follow any on-screen prompts to finish setting up your account. Once complete, you'll be taken to your new Twitter feed. You are now ready to start tweeting and exploring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.